Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today at a place called Tibbenham Airfield, I think it's called. We are here for Terminal Velocity. Now this is an event I've never done before. You currently join me right in the thick of it actually. We're just about to do the sighting lap, hence why I already look like an idiot. Yeah, I know this helmet is not the most flattering thing in the world. Neither does it fit, so I think I need to get a new one. But yes, a bit of a drag day today. I'm here in the 140. I've done some kind of airstrip events before, mainly VMAX, which was good fun. I think from memory, I think we did 174 standing mile, running just stage 2, I believe. This isn't like a VMAX style event. It's a half-mile drag race, rolling half-mile drag race. So it should be good fun nonetheless. But yeah, we're just on the sighting lap at the moment, or will be in a minute. And then we'll be getting straight on into the thick of things. And I'm really looking forward to it actually, because this thing, well, yeah, I rarely really drive it these days, so it'll be good to take it out on the limit as well. But yeah, I guess we'll just get this thing rolling and go from there. So welcome to Terminal Velocity. As you can see, cars are already hitting the runway up there. I've got the 140 parked here. Really looking forward to seeing what this thing can do. But of course, we are surrounded with some really cool cars today. Lots of M3s, M4s, M2s. Got some GTRs, some old S3s as well. GR Supra, that'll be interesting to go up against that. Even got some super bikes as well. And then over here, we've got a couple of 720Ss and another M3 as well. Look at that. That looks mega. Proper mean things. Epic display of cars. But yeah, I think what we're going to do is, before we head on out in the car, let's see some of the other cars going up and down the drag strip. First off, see what else is here, and then after that we'll hop on board and go have some fun in this little thing. Right, okay, so sighting lap is all done and we've had a little wander around as well. There's some seriously cool cars here, as you have seen, although that is not what we're here for. We are here to have some fun down this runway. Now, it's going to be a little bit of a different setup to what I'm kind of used to. Like I mentioned right at the start of the video, it's like a rolling from 40 mile an hour, half a mile drag strip, I suppose. So it's not standing start, and it's not, I think, a full mile, I think I did at VMAX. Yeah, it was a full mile, but yeah, should be good fun. And yeah, a little bit nervous, but hey. We do have a Draggy here today, but I'm not going to time the first one just because I want to get used to it. It does look like quite a bumpy track, to be fair, but it should be good. Here we go, get to the line. So that is a friend of mine in his hybrid turbo M4. He has absolutely destroyed me. So I think that thing is running like 630 brake, I think, something like that. I'll have a little catch up with him in a minute and see exactly what it's running, but epic looking thing, and he probably got me by like a quarter of a mile there. Oh dear. Okay, race 2, 500 horsepower 140i, 450 horsepower OGM2. He's having me. How is he having me? How has he done that then? go. Another race, another M2. We have a stage 1 M2 comp. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, we're running around the same power. But one mistake I did make is apparently, according to the timing boards, I beat the last M2 by 1 mile an hour. It's not actually done by kind of who crosses the line first. It's kind of the trap speed at the end, and apparently I was 1 mile an hour ahead of that, so I didn't lose, thankfully. Although there's some very, very quick cars today, so I'm definitely going to be losing some, that is for sure. But yeah, this is good fun, really, really good fun. And yeah, just wait for the go ahead, and then we will be off again. And we're off. God, that's quick. That is seriously quick. 120, 130, and 140. That is a quick car. I don't actually know the exact power figures, but I definitely lost that one. That is for sure. Okay, I'm going to try it now with DSC fully off. I've also got the Draggy all set up as well, so what we get, and we have a Mark 7.5 Golf GTI stage 1, I believe, next to us, DSG, so we'll see how that goes as well. But yeah, got the Draggy all set up, and of course the runway out in front of us. Just got to wait for the green light. There we go. GTI is gone. I'm finally going to win a race. 130. I tell you what, these new brakes as well are very, very good. Set of 6 pots. Does look good, that car though. Now, I did a little test with the Draggy just on that last run, and for some reason, I mean, I'm not really much of a Draggy user, to be honest with you, but nearly 12 seconds 60 to 130 does not seem right. So I'm hoping that there isn't an issue somewhere within the car. But yeah, I mean, if I put it on the screen, look there, 11.92, 60 to 130, doesn't seem right at all. Now perhaps someone that uses Draggy a bit more can help me with that, but either way, we're going to give it another go. I was in DSC off last time, going to try just in Sport Plus this time. In fact, we'll reset the Draggy as well. It's now set to kilometers an hour, so 100 to 200 kilometers an hour as well, because I know there is a little bit of a different top end, but yeah, 12 seconds does not seem right at all, so hopefully I haven't broken something. Either way, we are off once again. Hopefully we get a better one this time. It's 100, 120, 130, about 145. Doesn't get boring though. So, little lunch stop. I've been having a chat with some of the other people here who are also using Draggies, and they say basically don't bother with them here. The ground is actually pretty bumpy, especially when you're at high speed, and it just completely throws off any sort of accurate time. So yes, the ground is level, and yes, it is a verified time, but it's so slow compared to what it is. So panic over, you can stop commenting now about how slow my car is, but car is going really, really well. I've lost most of the races, to be honest, because there are some seriously quick cars in attendance. All in all, really good day, really enjoying it. I'm going to enjoy my chips and then probably get this out maybe once or twice more, and also try and get out some other people's cars as well. Anyway, right, drag strip is now opening back up. Dan beat me earlier when we raced, but hello mate. Hello. All right. You absolutely smashed me earlier, so I think it was only right if I just leave mine over there. God, these seats are a bit cool, aren't they?
They're not bad.
Not bad at all. What are we running on? This 625?
627.
Oh, dyno seats.
Yeah, the dyno sheet's there. 850 Newton meters. So 627 at the top now.
Nice. Wicked. What are we up against? M4 or M2?
We're going against the M2.
M2. Wicked. Right. Cool. He's gone. It's still so stable though.
Yeah, not bad.
He's gonna say you beat your back there now. Okay, heading out in the M5. You say this thing's running
750 horsepower.
50, I'm up against
950 newton meters torque.
950, wow.
So, yeah,
Got a single turbo M4.
So the big turbo M4. It's going to be a good run.
Absolutely. Go. I mean, this isn't slow to be fair.
163, yeah.
Don't hand around it.
Just about enough braking distance.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, that's a fast car.
That is a fast car.
Yeah.
Was it like 800-ish? Something like that?
Yeah, 800. Everything
Turbo.
pure turbos, meth.
Wow.
Yeah, well, one big turbo.
Yeah, one massive turbo. Well, there we go. That is a wrap for Terminal Velocity. My first time coming. I think I will come again because it is a lot of fun. That is for sure. I think we got about 140 in the 140 on the 40-mile-an-hour half-mile drag races. See some of the cars coming back now. But yeah, that is us done for the day. I will leave all the details down below for Terminal Velocity. It's a really good event actually, and definitely one which I'll come back to in the future. But for me today, I now have a 3.5-hour drive home, which I'm really not looking forward to. And so that is now gonna wrap things up for me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Sorry the video has been a little bit all over the place. The day kind of has been, to be honest, very kind of here, there and everywhere, but we got there. It was good fun, and I think I'll definitely be coming again. Anyway, regardless, that is it for me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures still to come.